the AI revolution is killing the old internet. But is it building a better one? The old internet is dying, and I'm not sad about it. Why? Because today's AI agents, like ChatGPT or DeepSeek, can fetch answers for me in seconds, bypassing the bloated, ad-infested hellscape of modern websites. No more cookie consent pop-ups, account registrations for no real reasons, forced newsletter sign-ups, or paywalls for basic information. Just answers. So, I rarely visit websites anymore. Instead, I ask an AI. Okay, sometimes, multiple AIs just to compare their results, to synthesize information for me. The results are faster, more tailored, and far less frustrating than stitching together a dozen of Google search results. So will traditional websites disappear entirely? Probably not. But in the long run, I suspect most will evolve into structured API endpoints, designed for AI consumption. Projects like the Model Context Protocol, an open standard for AI data interfaces, hint at this future. The web won't be built for humans, it'll be built for machines serving humans. But my question is, what will happen to the internet advertisement industry? It is a big business, after all. So, my own prognosis is that AI agents will start promoting services or products, not because the products are better, but because of the corporate advertisement behind them. Perplexity AI is already backed with paid advertisers. So, if you ask an AI for a certain code snippet, it might also recommend you buy a better laptop or go for vacation. Furthermore, I also bet that AI agents will also disseminate political propaganda. Political and industrial powers will abuse AI agents to form and manipulate our public opinion about societal issues. So, today, we do not trust AI agents due to hallucinations. Tomorrow, we do not trust them because they want to manipulate us. After prompt engineering, there is the prompt injection to manipulate AI agents. Now, similarly, how search engine optimization gamed the Google's ranking algorithms to put your website on a search result page. I bet there will be hidden prompt injections in websites to fool AI agents and manipulate their behavior or actions. A news site silently injecting bias into an AI summary. What if an AI agent is looking for an information for you, and the website, which it is currently reading, contains harmful instructions, for example, to send your money to somewhere? AI could make the internet cleaner, faster, and more efficient. But without transparent open standards, auditable AI behavior, and ethical ad models, we risk trading the old web's annoyances for something far more dangerous. Biased, manipulated AI agents are in control. So, will AI democratize knowledge or centralize power? What do you think? Do you prefer AI agents to search engines?